If you're viewing a web page in a language that is unknown to you, then you can use the translation option inside of Google Chrome to translate it into English or any other language that we understand. For example, I'm going to go around into Wikipedia just like this and press enter. And once I open up this page, you can see that this is the page I see. But if I were to go and select another language, let's say, for example, I'm going to choose Italiano right here. So once you do that, you can see that the Google Chrome has detected that this is Italian language. And now everything is in Italian language, as you can see right here. But if I were to choose English right here, what will happen is that it translates everything automatically to English, as you can see. So even if the page is in Italian, it converts everything into English and you can view it right here. On the left side, you can see that there's the Wikipedia logo, but below that, you can see that the text is still in Italian. That is because this is embedded inside the a picture itself, that is with the logo, so you do not actually see that right there. So if I were to go over here, you can see that since this is in another language than English, you can see on the top that you have this icon. So you can go around over here and translate it into another language as well. So you can click here, you can say that the page is not in Italian. You can also choose the original language right here, choose English, or you can go around right here. You can choose another language. Let's say, for example, you want to change it into around. Let's say, for example, Thai right here, translate. Now everything translates into Thai from Italian, just like this. You can also choose another language if it is not detecting the language correctly, but most of the times when it cannot detect the language, it won't translate it correctly either. And that is how you can use the translate option to translate from one language to another. And what you can also do is, if you are not able to see this option, you can right click on any part of the web page right here, and then you can use the translate to option, and then you get the same option over here as well. You can also choose an option to always translate Italian, just like this as well. So that is how you can use the translate option inside of Google Chrome. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.